everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important concept, and that is the power of emotional intelligence in leadership. Well, let's start with the question. As a team lead or a project manager or a manager or a leader, have you ever noticed that your team is struggling to stay focused, missing deadlines, or not putting in the same efforts they usually do? Have you ever felt like something just not right, but couldn't figure out why? If you haven't noticed it yet, it's the time to start looking deeper. Remember, great managers don't just manage the tasks, they understand their people. You are leading a high stakes project and everything is going fast. But then one of your top performers, David, starts falling behind. He's always been a consistent, reliable, hardworking, and a responsible guy. But now he's disengaged, demotivated, appears stressed, and making mistakes. You start wondering, is he becoming lazy, or he's deliberately making those mistakes? Then you think, should I push him harder? But then you do something different. You call David to your office and offers him a cup of coffee and asks gently, "Hey David, how are you doing? Is everything okay?" And that's the moment where emotional intelligence comes to play. So instead of pushing him harder and making any kind of judgment about him, you lead with empathy. You shows that David's well-being matters more than the work what he's doing. Then David opens up. He tells you about his workload, personal family struggles, marital issues, or any kind of the problem through which he is going. And you listen to him attentively, like you genuinely care about him. Guess what happens next? David feels seen. David feels valued. David feels motivated. David regains his focus. And you respond to his queries by adjusting his workload and offering support. Any kind of support. It may be like social support, moral support, any kind of support, whichever you can do for him, you do. Then David comes back with full strength and passion and becomes the strong member of the team once again. And your team becomes more united, connected, and cohesive. So if we see the other side of the picture, what would happen if you push him harder? He feels more stressed. He starts thinking about changing the team, or in the worst case, he may think about leave the office. So remember, it's not just about the task, it's about people doing the task. So lead with empathy, lead with understanding, and lead with emotional intelligence. And that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more leadership tips. I'll see you next weekend. with another video. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and thank you for watching.